is one in front and one in the rear. Hindi po pwedeng ilagay natin yung ating mga plate numbers sa gilid po ng ating mga motor vehicle sa left and right. Kailangan daw po doon sa center, doon sa front and the back of our motor vehicle lang natin pwedeng ilagay yung ating mga plate number. Yung po yung tamang signal. And the number plate daw po ay must be kept clean, clear, important, and firmly affixed to the motor vehicle in such a manner as will entirely visible for the viewer. Yun daw po ay naka-fix na doon sa ating motor vehicle. O hindi pwedeng ayaw munang gamitin itong plate number, tanggalin muna. Hindi pwede yun. Kailangan every time na gagamitin po ninyo yung inyong mga motor vehicle, naka-fix po yung plate number niya, one in the front and one at the back of the motor vehicle. Ano? Then, even though naka-register na yun yung mga motor vehicle, kailangan daw po yung ating permit and licenses. Having a license is a privilege, not a right. Ano? Sabi nga diyan, ano? All license, liquid, invalid, suspended, or revoked license, still notary. If ever kayo may mga license na may suspension naman, merong na revoke, automatic. Hindi pwedeng may license naman ako, may suspension lang. Pag may suspension, kung halimbawa 30 days ka hindi ka muna mag-drive. Hindi pwedeng, kung ikaw ay may license na, hindi ka pa pwedeng hindi mag-drive. Pag may suspension, hanggang nahilip yung suspension mo, hindi ka pwedeng mag-drive for your motor vehicle. And our driver license must be carried at all times